Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome, karibu sana, and kindly do subscribe. So guys, before we proceed, all ingredients that I have used in this recipe are in the description box. So guys, today we are making wet fry matumbo. So wash your matumbo first and then give them a good boil them for a couple of hours. I boiled mine for 5 hours. Make sure your matumbo zimekuwa soft kabisa before you start before uanze kukaanga. So for my ingredients, I have my spices: paprika, garam masala in cubes. I also have kitunguu, hoho, dhania and pilipili. So in hot oil, put your boiled matumbo. Let them simmer for a couple of minutes until zikuwe a bit crunchy. Cover your sufuria for about 5 minutes. Now as you can tell, my matumbo are a bit crunchy. Si crunchy sana, zisikuwe crunchy sana. Then go in with your red onions. Stir well and then cover for another 5 minutes. Our onions are well cooked. So go in with your spices. I used garam masala and paprika and 3 beef cubes. Make sure spices zako umezikoroga vizuri, zimeshika kila mahali, and then cover. Hizo ni pilipili. I went in with my pilipili. That's optional guys. I just love pilipili. And then I went in with my hoho. I let it cook for about 3 minutes. That's salt to taste. And then went in with my tomatoes. Oh, more salt. Ukae ukionja food yako ndio uweze kupima salt. Go in with your tomatoes and stir well, then cover until they are fully cooked. Our nyanyas are fully cooked. And our matumbo is ready. I skipped the part that I put dhania, but unaweza garnish na dhania. It's still optional, but yeah, optional, but I'd highly recommend. Ndio hizo dhania nimeweka, and our matumbo is ready. So guys, that's how easy you make your wet fry matumbo. You can serve with ugali, with rice, whatever you prefer, or even chapo. So guys, also I want to plug you with my with the person who plugged me with my kitchenware. I'll leave their number on the description box and their page, their IG page. And our matumbo is served. I served mine with ugali and greens. Make sure to try out this recipe, guys, and let me know in the comment section below how it was. Kindly guys, subscribe, share, comment, and let me know what meal you'd like me to make next time. See you guys, like, comment, share. See you in the next one.